Have you ever wondered about information technology, writing codes, creating mobile apps and programs? DevX School offers you a great opportunity to learn all about it. Our team can explain why you don't need 5 years to start your career in the IT world. You only need 6 months to become a highly skilled IT specialist. No math, no IT background is required. Just 2 prerequisites: passion and the willingness to study hard. We have over 100 students who have joined top IT companies and now earning $100K plus per year. All you need to do is contact us. We can answer all of your questions and concerns via phone, email, text message, Skype, or arrange a face-to-face meeting. We guarantee that our highly skilled team will reply to all of your questions and help you plan your career path to your dream job. DevX, developing experience.